Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Alcatel 10 3T4G. And to do this you'll need to get the RAR app I shown you previously on how to download it. Here I have it. Now let's find the files that we're gonna pack. So here I have this picture. Click on it with this button right here, and then on the plus button you'll enter archiving options. You can change anything about your archive right here, but it's not necessary to create a simple file, so I'm just gonna go with OK, and here we have it. We just made our first RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.